Hello students, you're welcome back to the YouTube channel of Teach Me Xir Gideon. Now on this channel, we provide solutions to past SSSCE and then WASSCE questions, alright? And then we help senior high school students become straight A1 students without sweating. So in today's tutorial, I want to look at a past question which came in the year 2019 under number basis. We are still under core mathematics. So the question says that if 110 base x is equal to 1020 base 4, find the value of x. So if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and share this video to as many students as possible, so that our goal of helping students become a straight A1 student becomes a reality. So let's dive quickly into the question. So we have this question before us, which says that if 110 base x is equal to 1020 base 4, it says find the value of x. So how do we go about the question? How do we go about this question? So the first thing we do is to check the bases. Alright, now this is already in base x, and then this is already in base 4. Alright, so in order for us to solve this kind of question, we have to make sure we change them into base 10. Alright, we move them from their bases into base 10 so we can equate them and then find the value of x. So you're going to take the first part, which is 110 base x, and then we'll convert it into a base 10. Then we will take the last part, which is 1020 base 4, and then we'll convert that one to base 10. Afterwards, then we equate the two. So let's take the first one. The first one we have is, we have 110 base x is equal to 1020 base 4. So the first one we have is 110 base x. So how do we change this one to base 10? To do that, the first number, which is 1, multiplies the base. Alright, then we bring our addition sign, then the next one multiplies our base, then our 0, which is the last digit, multiplies our base. Now afterwards we number our base, our number base, which is 4, which is x in this question. We number it right from the far end, from the right to the left. So we start from 0, 1 and 2. Alright, so all these they are the exponent of the base. So we have 1 times x squared, that gives us x squared, then plus x exponent 1 is the same as x times 1, that gives us plus x. Now x exponent 0 gives us 1. Alright, because in mathematics any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is 1. So x exponent 0 gives us 1. Alright, now that 1 times 0 gives us 0. So we have x squared plus x plus 0. And this gives us, so this is 0. This gives us x squared plus x. So that is for the first part, which is this. Let's take the last part, which is 1020 base 4. So we have to convert this one to base 10. So we have 1 multiplying 4, plus we have 0 multiplying 4, we have 2 multiplying 4, then we have 0 multiplying 4. So we number our we come in with the required number, the required exponent for the basis. So we have 0 here, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Alright, so we have 1 times, now 4 exponent 3 gives us 64, plus 0 times 4 squared is 16, plus 2 times 4 exponent 1 is 4, plus 0 times 4 exponent 0 gives us 1. So we have 1 times 64 plus 0 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 0 times 1. So 1 times 64 gives us 64, plus 0 times 16 gives us 0, 2 times 4 gives us 8, 0 times 1 gives us 0. So we have 64 plus 0 plus 8 and then plus 0, that gives us 72. So after converting 1020 base 4 to base 10, we had 72. After converting 110 base x to base 10, we had x squared plus x. So we are going to equate these two. Alright, so in that case we're going to have x squared plus x is equal to 72. So what do we do? This is a quadratic, so we have to solve this quadratic. To do that, we have to take this 72 to join where x squared and then x is. So we have x squared plus x minus 72 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation of which we are supposed to find the answer. So a quadratic equation has two solution values. All right. So how do we solve this? So we solve this quadratically. All right. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient, and then the constant c is negative 72. So by using quadratic equations, we're going to get these two values. We're going to get x minus 8 and then x plus 9 is equal to 0. So we're going to equate the first part to 0, which is x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this one gives us x equal to 8. This gives us x equals negative 9. Alright, now because we're talking about a number base, so we're going to select the positive value. So therefore, our x is equal to 8. I believe this video helps, and then when you see a question like this, probably in your exams or in your final exams, you'll be able to solve it. Alright, students, so please make sure you subscribe and then share this video as many senior high school students you know, so that our goal of helping students become straight A1 student becomes a reality. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next video.